Water is essential to every dairy processing plant. From cleaning equipment and pipelines to cooling milk and maintaining hygiene, dairy operations consume huge amounts of water daily. However, with growing global concerns about water scarcity, rising costs, and environmental protection, the dairy industry faces a crucial challenge: how to use water more efficiently and sustainably. The solution lies in water recycling powered by advanced filtration technologies. Today, many dairy plants are reusing up to 70% or more of their water through innovative membrane filtration systems, drastically cutting freshwater demand and paving the way for a greener future. Why is water recycling so important in dairy processing? Dairy plants produce vast amounts of wastewater that contains milk residues, fats, proteins, and cleaning chemicals. Discharging untreated wastewater pollutes the environment and wastes valuable water resources. Additionally, reliance on fresh water is costly and increasingly unsustainable due to climate change and growing demand. Water recycling not only reduces freshwater consumption, but also lowers wastewater treatment costs and minimizes environmental impact, creating a win-win for business and nature. At the heart of this transformation is membrane filtration technology, including microfiltration, ultrafiltration, nanofiltration, and reverse osmosis. These membranes act like fine sieves, removing solids, fats, bacteria, and dissolved impurities from wastewater. The treated water is clean and safe enough to be reused for equipment cleaning, cooling, or even some production processes without compromising product quality or safety. A prime example comes from a dairy plant in Brazil, where integrating membrane bioreactors and nanofiltration reduced freshwater usage by over 90% in general processes and cut clean-in-place water use by nearly 70%. Such advances highlight how membrane filtration can significantly enhance water efficiency and reduce operational costs. Worldwide, dairy processors are adopting membrane filtration to meet stricter environmental regulations and consumer demands for sustainable products. Companies like Berghoff Membranes offer specialized ultrafiltration solutions designed for dairy wastewater, providing durable, scalable systems suited to small and large plants alike. Beyond water savings, adopting water recycling improves brand image and aligns with global sustainability goals like the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal 6, which promotes clean water and sanitation for all. Consumers increasingly favor companies that demonstrate responsible water management and environmental care, making recycling technologies a competitive advantage. So, how does membrane filtration work? Wastewater first undergoes pre-treatment to remove large particles. It then passes through membranes that filter out fats, proteins, salts, and microorganisms step by step. The purified water collected is reused for cleaning, cooling, or irrigation, closing the water loop in a sustainable and cost-effective way. Moreover, membrane filtration reduces the volume and pollution load of wastewater discharged into the environment, protecting local water bodies and ecosystems. This eases the burden on municipal treatment plants and helps safeguard community health. In summary, water recycling through advanced membrane filtration is more than just technology. It's a vital strategy for sustainable dairy production. It represents innovation, responsibility, and respect for our planet's limited water resources. As freshwater scarcity grows, saving every drop is crucial to securing the future of dairy farming and our environment. If you work in dairy processing, embracing membrane-based water recycling can transform your operations, cutting costs, improving sustainability, and protecting your business against water risks. It's a smart, ethical, and profitable choice.